This week in phonics, we have been learning how to add the es suffix to nouns and verbs ending in y, and we've been looking at the rules and how to spell them. So I would just like to do a quick recap before you have some time to practice looking at those spellings, learning those spellings, and practice writing some words with them. So let's just have a quick recap then. Look at how these verbs and nouns change in these sentences. So, I cry at sad films. Mum cries at sad films. So, cry is a verb, and that's the I cry at sad films. That's the first person, talking about the first person that you're talking about I in that sentence. Mum cries at sad films. That's talking about somebody else. So remember, that is the third person. So we have been looking at how to add the es suffix to the third to make the third person singular of verbs. Okay, let's have a look at another example. So I try to learn my spellings. That's the first person because it's using the word I. And now we're going to change it into the third person. So Lucy tries to learn her spellings. And can you see how the word has changed? So they both end in, both of these verbs end in the Y. They both have a consonant before the Y. So we know that we need to change the Y to an I and add ES. Let's have a look at some nouns now. So the same rule applies, and we've been having a look at this earlier on in the week. So what a sweet baby. That's a noun, and look at how it changes now when we change it to plural, so more than one. What a lot of sweet babies. So the same rule applies. And then we're going to have a look at another noun here. So in this sentence, reply is a noun. We are waiting for one more reply to the party. We are waiting for two more replies to the party. So remember that the rule is if the word ends in a consonant and a Y, then the Y is changed to I before ES is added. Okay, so what I'd like you to do today is, this is just a short video today, just to recap on what we've done all week. Here are your spellings for the weeks. So you've got some verbs and you've got some nouns, and they have all been, the ES suffix has been added to all of them. So your words are flies, tries, replies, copies, babies, carries, cries, dries, marries, families. So I want you to really work hard learning them, and then your job today is to practice writing them in sentences. Okay, so good luck with your sentences, platypuses.